Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your tools match the workflow. Android Studio with SDK and an AVD plus Node. JS and Expo CLI. Once done, create an Expo managed project, Expo init my app, because managed Expo removes native build complexity. Make sure the AVD targets API 30 or higher so Android Studio can run the emulator. Now open Android Studio, start the AVD, and keep the terminal ready. You will run the Expo server next, which connects to that emulator. Next, run the Expo development server. CD my app, Expo start, and pick a connection type that fits your network. Once Metro is running, use DevTools to launch on your Android emulator. Expo will install Expo Go inside the AVD, allowing live reload and fast refresh. If the emulator doesn't auto-open, use the Run on Android device/emulator button or run a DB reverse and Expo start. This step links your JS bundle to the emulator, so you can view changes instantly and iterate quickly. Finally, when you need an installable app, build with ease. Build P Android to produce an APK or AAB. Sign it with your key store for release. Make sure to test permissions and native behaviors on a physical device too, because emulators can differ. If something goes wrong, run a DB logcat and Expo diagnostics to find errors quickly. Often it's a port, firewall, or SDK mismatch. One troubleshooting tip: restart the AVD and run a DB kill server, then a DB start server to resolve stubborn connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.